everyone, it's Miss Amy from Camden Public Library, and today we are going to make a paper airplane and a helicopter. And so what you need is 2 pieces of paper. You don't have to draw the lines or anything, because I'm going to show you how to do this. So you can see really easy right here. And you need a paper clip. So we're gonna do the helicopter first. So I have a rectangle piece of paper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut down the middle about almost halfway, and then I'm going to cut here and here. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go like this. Okay, and I'm making a base for the helicopter so that it is nice and firm and it's got a good base. I'm gonna fold that up. And I'm going to put the paper clip on there so that it's weighted, okay? So it's all folded up. Then what I have to do is I'm going to fold one of these in that direction, and I'm going to fold one of these in this direction, okay? So it creates this shape. And this is going to be my helicopter. So you can't tell, but I'm going to show you in a minute how it works. Okay, so the other thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and build a simple paper airplane. Okay, so what we're going to do is fold a rectangle in half. Okay, then we're going to fold this down to the edge like that. Flip it over and do the same like that. So helicopter and a paper airplane. Then we're going to fold this down here. You want to keep that right there. So now I'm folding this edge, okay, this edge down. Flip it. I'm folding this edge down to the center, okay? So there we go. It's getting there. Then we're gonna do this edge right like that, right to the center. Okay, right like that. Flip it over, bring this edge down to here. And these are super simple. You don't have to have the lines to make this simple plane. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold on to it. I'm gonna make it kind of flatten it out like that. Okay, you can see what it looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to change the direction of my camera so that you guys can see both the helicopter and the airplane work. So let's do it. Okay, so here we go. Here is the paper airplane. Okay, so we're gonna give the paper airplane a toss. Ooh, nice. And then the helicopter, we're gonna lift it up and let it go. Ooh, okay, so let's look. Hold it up and let it go. Wow, I just love how simple it is, and it spins like a helicopter. So if you have a really high place where you can drop it from somewhere high, you can stand on a chair or whatever and do it. It's really fun. And here is the airplane. Oh, it works so good. Let's do it again. I haven't done this in a while. Ooh, it keeps coming over here. Must be a little crooked, or I'm throwing in that direction. So let's see if I can get straight. Nice. All right, happy creating. I hope you have fun making these two airplanes. They are so fun to do inside. Just make sure no one is in front of you so that nobody gets poked in an eye. You can do this outside. It is super fun, and you don't need anything special, just a little bit of paper, some scissors, and a paper clip. Happy tinkering, Miss Amy.